Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today, we're diving deep into a kitchen essential that promises to elevate your cooking and baking game, the QuliMetal non-stick enameled cast iron cookware set. This 5-piece collection aims to be your go-to for everything from slow-cooked stews to that perfectly baked sourdough loaf. So, does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. First off, let's talk about what you get in this set. It's a pretty comprehensive offering. We have a 2-quart Dutch oven and a larger 4.3-quart Dutch oven. These are fantastic for slow and low cooking, think braising meats, simmering soups, or, as the product highlights, baking bread. Then there's a 3.5-quart deep skillet, which is incredibly versatile for sautéing, frying, and even shallow frying. Finally, rounding out the set are 2 skillets, an 8-inch and a 10-inch. These are your everyday workhorses, perfect for making eggs, pancakes, or smaller family meals. The variety in sizes and shapes makes this a genuinely useful collection for a wide range of culinary tasks. The core material here is cast iron, a classic for a reason. What QuliMetal has done is applied a hard-coat enamel to both the interiors and exteriors. This is a significant feature because it brings together the legendary heat retention and distribution of cast iron with the ease of use and maintenance that enamel provides. The enamel itself is designed to be durable, resisting scratches and chips. This means you can tackle various cooking methods like sautéing, stewing, roasting, and even broiling without worrying as much about damaging the surface. Plus, the fact that it's oven safe up to a remarkable 500 degrees Fahrenheit means you can seamlessly move from stovetop to oven, which is incredibly convenient for finishing dishes or for baking. Now, let's really get into the performance. Cast iron is renowned for its heat retention and even heating, and this set doesn't disappoint. The cast iron construction ensures that heat is distributed evenly across the bottom and up the sidewalls of the pots and pans. This dramatically reduces the chances of hot spots, leading to more consistent and even cooking results. Whether you're searing a steak or gently simmering a delicate sauce, you'll appreciate the uniformity. The lids are designed to fit snugly, which is crucial for locking in moisture. This is particularly beneficial for those slow-cooked dishes that benefit from tenderizing and infusing flavors, and of course, for that essential steam required for a great bread crust. And the heat retention is truly impressive. Once heated, these pieces stay hot for a long time, keeping your food warm on the table, which is a lovely bonus. The design elements are also worth noting. The wide, sturdy handles on the Dutch ovens and the skillets are designed for a secure grip, which is essential when dealing with heavy cast iron. Safety and ease of handling are paramount. The stainless steel lid knobs add a touch of elegance and are heat-resistant, offering a more refined aesthetic than some plastic alternatives. And cleaning, often a concern with cast iron, is made significantly easier by the smooth porcelain enameled interior. It helps to reduce sticking, which in turn makes cleanup less of a chore. While the product states it's dishwasher safe, they do recommend hand washing with warm soapy water and a nylon brush to preserve the cookware's pristine condition for years to come. This is standard advice for high-quality enameled cast iron, and it's a small price to pay for longevity. So, what are the pros and cons of this QuliMetal set? On the pro side, you get a very comprehensive collection of versatile cookware. The enameled cast iron offers excellent heat distribution and retention, perfect for a wide array of cooking styles, including baking sourdough, which is a major selling point for many. The durability of the enamel, the oven-safe capability, and the thoughtful design with secure handles and elegant knobs are all significant advantages. It's PFOA-free, which is also a welcome feature for health-conscious cooks. On the con side, as with any cast iron, these pieces are heavy. Lifting and maneuvering them, especially when full of food, requires some strength. While the enamel makes cleaning easier than raw cast iron, it's still not as non-stick as some modern synthetic coatings, and proper care, like hand washing, is recommended to maintain its appearance and performance. Some users might find the overall weight to be a drawback, and for those accustomed to ultra-lightweight cookware, it's a significant adjustment. Also, while the enamel is durable, it can chip if subjected to extreme impacts or sudden temperature changes, so careful handling is still advised. In conclusion, the QuliMetal Non-Stick Enameled Cast Iron Cookware Set is a robust and versatile addition to any kitchen. It expertly blends the timeless benefits of cast iron with the modern convenience and aesthetic of enamel. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a beginner looking to invest in quality, this set offers fantastic value and capability. The range of pieces, from Dutch ovens perfect for baking bread to skillets for everyday frying, makes it an incredibly practical choice for a variety of culinary adventures. Link in the description.